C9 or Clean 9 is the flagship fitness and lifestyle product of Forever Aloe Vera. In this video, I would like to show you the contents of this box. Okay, so we are now opening this box. And I turn this to the side so you can see the contents. It's very nice material anyway. It contains a booklet where you can manage your lifestyle program. Yes. Okay. There is some other information booklet and product booklet. And then let's have a look. One of my favorite products is the Forever Light Ultra Shake Mix in vanilla flavor. A shaker is essential in every family, I think. Some measurement caps. It's a measurement tape, I think, hopefully. Yes, Garcinia Plus, fiber and forever term in this box. Food supplement kit, as the title says. And at the bottom of this box, in big carton packaging. Oh, looks nice. Forever Aloe Peaches Gel. Once and twice. So if you order the box, you immediately get 2 cartons of Peaches Aloe Vera Gel. You can order it with natural flavor or berry flavor, and you can choose between vanilla and chocolate of the shake. So that was Clean 9. Thank you.